Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Oukitel K13 Pro has a stereo speaker. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all speakers on this phone. And the first one's clearly right here, and that's the phone call speaker. Next is on the bottom of our phone, right here. And let's check all the sides for any more. So this phone only has 2 speakers, and now in order to check for stereo, we'll need to play some music and cover each of the speakers and see if the sound is coming from 2 of them. If the sound is coming from only 1, this is mono speaker, and if the sound is coming from 2 sources, that is a stereo speaker. Let's play music. So clearly sound is coming only from the bottom one, so that means this phone doesn't have stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.